Hello friends, today we are going to discuss this organic problem related to organic synthesis, and this type of problem have been asked in CSIR, NetGate and other exams. Okay, and this type of problem is very tricky type if you see here, and so we will discuss here through mechanism what will be the exact products. So you should be know about that it is a type of elimination reaction. Okay, and sin elimination takes place. Okay, and since temperature is very high, so it is type of pyrolysis type of reaction takes place. Okay, so first of all what should be in this, suppose that we take one example. Suppose that we take this. Okay, so in this type what happens here, since elimination is sin type, so it will migrate it here. Okay, and this bond will be shift here. Okay, and this will affect this hydrogen, so your product should be, so your product will be this one. Okay, but it is not correct actually. Okay, so if you see here this problem, so we will try this. So first of all we will go through this mechanism through, first of all we apply the Cramp's rule. Which rule? Which apply the Cramp's rule. So what is the method to apply this Cramp's rule? So first of all you should be know about that. Suppose that this is okay, and here this is the center point, and in this the group should be, which comes is larger group. Okay, in this direction the group will be is medium, and in this one it should be smaller. Okay, so if you see here, suppose that we apply from this side, so this side pH is the larger group, so pH should be larger. Okay, after that this should be medium, so we will draw that it is medium, and hydrogen remaining is small. Okay, like that. Okay. The remaining group is, the remaining part is this one. Okay, so in this we will choose which is larger, which is medium, and which is small. Okay, so if you see here, this is larger. Okay, this is medium, and this is small. Understand? After that what happened, so if you see this structure, so it looks like that, means reaction is not possible, reaction possibility not occur, means does not occur. Okay, means agar if the molecules orients this, because this molecule is means if you see this molecule it looks like that. Okay, so in this type if you see here, the two bulky groups is there, so that's why the reaction will be not occur. Okay, so how it will be maintained, so it wants to go some flexible, means it wants to reduce this steric repulsion. Okay, so for which it moves 60-degree angle, and it's convert to so if you see here, this is your pH, means the one side will be remaining as such, so pH we will suppose that it will remain as it is, so pH D, and H will be as such. Only one direction we will move. So PS should be goes to this, OAC goes to this, remaining is which S should be goes to this. Okay, you understand? Very means there should be no confusion because we explain very nicely. Okay, so that's why there will be no confusion. After that what happened, then you should draw as such structure that's like that. Okay, so if you see here, this is the larger group, so here larger group is PH, medium this one, so medium should be D, smaller is H. So it, okay, so remaining part is this one. So here if you see here, hydrogen, here hydrogen acts like a larger group, so you should be draw from this one. Okay, and this is the medium, means medium should be PH, so medium should be PH, and remaining is OAC, means OAC. Understand? So if you see here, since there is a sin elimination, so you should be similarly you should try to sin elimination, means this hydrogen comes this bond should be migrated here, and this bond capturing this hydrogen. Okay, so your products which will be make here like that, PH, there should be alkene. Okay, and there should be D. Okay, and there should be PH, and there should be H, means in one side this PH and H should be one side, D and PS should be one side, so it is your product. Okay, so if you draw this, then PH, suppose that we will draw like that, so PH and S should be one side, PH and S should be one side, D and PS should be one side, D and PS should be one side, so it is your exact product. Okay, so if you try the options, then option B is the correct one. Okay, so it is about the elimination reaction, sin elimination. Okay, so it is very sin elimination, and most probably one problem has been one problem comes in the URI, CSIR, NET or other exams, so you should be try that by writing, means you should be try to practice. That's why this type of problem you can do easily. Okay, so thank you friends, we will meet you again by taking one more problem. And friends, if you like this video, please subscribe my channel, and if you have any issues regarding this, then please write down the comments in the below comment box. We will solve your problem as soon as possible. Okay, so thank you friends, we will meet you again. Okay, so bye.